Revolutionize the way you handle roadside emergencies with a jump starter kit. Compact, powerful, and a true lifesaver, ensuring you're always ready to spring into action and get your vehicle back on the road in no time. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 jump starters available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best jump starter kits. The 5th product on this list is the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770R. Being stranded with a dead car battery is frustrating, but there's always a solution. This unit, packing 1700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, revives your engine with ease. It's ideal for stubborn winter mornings or unexpected breakdowns. The unit's 2 68-inch welding cable leads ensure easy connection to your vehicle's battery, eliminating awkward stretching. Plus, the heavy-duty power jaw clamps provide a secure, slip-free grip for successful jump starts. A standout feature is the built-in 3-amp automatic charger. Simply plug it in for hassle-free charging without constant monitoring. The master on and off switch conserves power when not in use. At 23 pounds, it isn't the lightest but offers a solid feel and manageable portability thanks to its built-in handle. Its weight is justified by the power it offers. Its pros are: it delivers ample power for effortlessly starting both small and large vehicles. It has a durable design that ensures long-lasting performance in various conditions. And the clamps have a secure grip for reliable and safe jump starting. However, its cons are: it lacks the convenience of a car charger, requiring alternative charging methods, and the built-in battery tends to charge relatively slowly, which may affect user convenience. The Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770R is for car owners who want a jump starter that has the power, the tech, and the convenience to revive their dead car batteries. Up next in 4th place is the Schumacher DSR ProSeries. Here's another dependable solution for kickstarting your car's engine. Boasting 4400 peak amps, 750 cranking amps, and 525 cold cranking amps, it's akin to having a superhero at your fingertips, capable of jump-starting even the largest gas or diesel engines. The DSR 115 is user-friendly. It includes a 2-amp external automatic charger, 2-gauge cables for reliable connection, a 2.1-amp USB port for gadgets, and a 12-volt DC outlet. Its easy-to-read digital display on-off switch and reverse connection warning enhance its user appeal. In terms of durability, the DSR 115 is robust, featuring a rust and corrosion-resistant case. The heavyweight 2 AWG cables further promise years of dependable use. Moreover, safety is paramount with the DSR 115. It's equipped with comprehensive safety features to prevent sparks and damage. The unit also includes a separate 2-amp automatic charger for quick, convenient wall outlet charging, complete with overcharge protection and reverse polarity lockout for added security. Its pros are: it is powerful enough to jumpstart cars, SUVs, trucks, semis, and other large engines. It has DC and USB power outlets for charging your mobile devices. And the thick cables are reliable and ensure a dependable and secure connection. However, its cons are: while it excels in power, there's room for improvement in terms of size and weight, and the battery's durability could be better. To sum it up, the Schumacher DSR 115 is a powerhouse with solid performance, making it ideal for pros who want a jump starter with a thoughtful design that delivers on all fronts. Still haven't found a jump starter kit that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the NOCO Boost X GBX 155. The Boost X, part of the Extreme series, unleashes a powerful 4250 amps, giving engines the extreme boost they need to start. It's more than an upgrade. It's a leap to a new level of power. Plus, it works efficiently in temperatures ranging from freezing to extremely hot. The standout feature is its turbo chargeability. Equipped with USB-C technology for rapid power delivery, the Boost X recharges lightning fast. Charge for just 5 minutes to jumpstart, or achieve a full recharge in about 2.7 hours. Both quick and convenient, but its utility goes beyond vehicles. With a 60-watt USB-C power delivery internal power bank, It can charge a variety of devices, from phones to laptops. It's akin to carrying a portable power station with you. Safety is a top priority with the Boost X, equipped with UltraSafe 2.0 technology. This means it's spark-proof, has reverse polarity protection, and features enhanced thermal efficiency and power management for superb performance and extended battery life. All in all, we like the Boost X because it's very versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, boats, RVs, and even tractors. Its pros are, it has advanced safety features ensuring user protection during operation. It is lightweight and portable, which facilitates ease of transportation and handling. And it is a versatile tool catering to a range of power needs beyond jump-starting. However, its cons are, the battery does not hold the charge for long, and it doesn't have a voltage display. The NOCO Boost X GBX 155 is a powerhouse with extreme jump-starting capabilities, fast recharging, and versatile charging options, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants a reliable solution that goes above and beyond. The second product on this list is the GOOLOO GT4000S. This next device is one of the few units in the world that can offer 100-watt fast charging. It powers from 0 to full charge in just 1.2 hours, meaning a mere 5 minutes of charging can get your car running. Plus, the 100-watt car charger is conveniently included. A full charge can jumpstart your vehicle up to 60 times, and it doubles as a fast-charging hub via the Type-C port. Beyond cars, the GT4000S is a versatile charging station for MacBooks, laptops, and mobile devices. This compact powerhouse delivers 4,000 amp peak power, easily starting 12-volt dead batteries in gas-powered engines up to 12.0 liters. What's more, the 3.2-inch LED screen keeps you informed, eliminating guesswork. Equipped with 10 types of protection technology, it ensures safe, spark-free jump-starting. Need a light? The 400-lumen flashlight with SOS, spotlight, and strobe modes is at your service. Lastly, it includes a dedicated port for 15-volt or 12-volt DC devices like tire inflators or inverters, making it even more useful in your day-to-day. Its pros are, the 3.2-inch LED screen eliminates guesswork and provides clear information for efficient operation. It has 3 USB ports for simultaneously charging multiple devices, and it has fast charging capacities, ensuring quick and efficient power replenishment. However, its cons are, it works best with gas engines, and the included carrying bag could be better. The GOOLOO 4000 amp portable car jump starter is for those looking for a compact powerhouse with lightning fast charging, serious jump starting capabilities, and a ton of extra features for their gas engine vehicles. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top jump starter kit is the HULKMAN Alpha 100. Unleash the unparalleled power of the Alpha 100, a true game changer in the world of jump starters. With a massive 4,000 amp peak current, this dynamo can breathe life into your car's battery up to an astounding 80 times on a single charge. The Alpha 100 isn't just a jump starter, it's a testament to engineering excellence, effortlessly powering up even in the frigid embrace of a negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to its revolutionary preheat technology. While others are left out in the cold, the Alpha 100 stands as a relentless winter warrior. But wait, there's more. The Alpha 100 redefines speed with its 65-watt high-speed charging, miraculously filling a MacBook from 0 to full in under 2 hours, and it rejuvenates itself in less than 1.5 hours. This isn't merely a jump starter. It's a multifunctional powerhouse, equipped with a colossal 32,000 milliampere battery pack, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C PD65W port. The Alpha 100 effortlessly juggles multiple tasks, charging everything from your essential gadgets to power-hungry devices. And for those 12-volt DC devices, the Alpha 100 has got you covered with a dedicated port, perfect for everything from tire inflators to other must-have accessories. It's also an indispensable tool for emergencies and outdoor escapades, featuring a versatile flashlight with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. Toughness? The Alpha 100 has it in spades. With a rugged IP65 rated build, it's not just durable, it's practically invincible. Resistant to rain, dust, and the inevitable bumps and drops in life, the Alpha 100 isn't just the best jump starter on the market. It's a robust companion for all your adventures. ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Its pros are: it can start a 10-liter gasoline engine and a 10-liter diesel engine with ease. It charges fast, ensuring prompt power replenishment for immediate use. Works in extremely low temperatures, providing reliable performance. And it is extremely well made and has exceptional durability. However, the compact design means the cables can feel a little short. Experience the ultimate in power, speed, and versatility with the HULKMAN Alpha 100, your go-to choice for unmatched reliability and performance in jump starter kits. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.